What are we doing today?
You guys are gonna cut some concrete.
Hey, don't act like you're not a part of it. You're gonna be helping me pick up concrete. Chayton's gonna be.
No, he's ready.
Chayton Dog is gonna be jackhammering, and you and I are gonna be hauling concrete in your gorilla cart.
Yes.
My wheelbarrow has a hole in the rim.
You better take some Advil before we get started. Both of us. I'll grab some.
And I'm already sore, and I haven't even started yet.
Yeah.
We need to JB weld the rim. The rim's leaking. Can you believe that?
No, I can't.
Not the tire, the rim.
Yeah. I'll be right back. Gotta get some gloves.
You gonna get me a Monster Energy?
Yep. Jake, you want a Monster Energy?
Sure, yeah, I'll have a Monster.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Thanks, babe. Little hilty action, huh? You ready to go now? Hey, be careful what you're doing there, dog. I know you do that. You were pretty good at that.
Yeah. Where are we starting at?
Thank you, darling. Tan there, dog.
Yeah.
Got it, dog?
Yeah.
How's your day going?
It's going pretty good.
That does look nice, guys.
Better.
Chayton's gonna be a landscaper.
Left together.
Yeah.
We need some more tunes, don't we?
How do you feel today?
Good. $1,000,000.
Ready to kick some ass on the yard or what?
Ready to slay.
Yeah.
Slay. Slay some rocks. You?
Yeah. Yeah.
I know you're feeling like $1,000,000.
Yeah. Matt Murray come by.
Talk to me.
Matt Murray and Michelle. Maddie come by, and Matt and I got into the margaritas and sampling different rums and whew.
You're feeling like unloading this trailer today, no?
Oh man.
I'm gonna
Trailer
check
load of
out
rock.
Work.
We still got another load to go get. Then we got to return this trailer back to Brandon White. Brandon White, thank you so much for letting us use your trailer. Mike Yager always hooks us up with rock, doesn't he?
He does.
You gotta talk to Mike Yager for your landscape rock.
Yes. Give me some heart attack. Good job.
Hey, that takes a lot of skill to do that. That's years of mountain climbing.
Good thing you grew up in the mountains, huh?
Years of mountain climbing.
Years.
It takes to be a landscaper, son.
Oh, I did too.
You've been hanging out with
Taylor Brock.
your brother-in-law. We called for locates too, dog. You want to call for locates when you're digging holes. How deep's Dad want to go?